Hello, Scent Warriors. Kenya's e-commerce sector is quickly growing and currently ranks 74th globally. According to studies, the industry is expected to be worth at least $801.4 million by the end of the year, and every Hawkeye investor is seeking to start an online business in Kenya. We can't deny it's a good deal, as it takes 9 quick steps to start a business in Kenya, run it legally, and be able to compete against the existing online stores. I'll share what to do. I'll also share the advantages of starting an online business in Kenya, and more importantly, brilliant business ideas to consider. Before we continue, Scent Warriors, please support us in our goal for the next few months to reach 50,000 subscribers. We want our tribe to keep growing. Please help us by subscribing and liking the video, since this helps YouTube recommend our content more. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, be sure to check out the description below this video for more details on additional ideas of the best-paying online business in Kenya. Please stay tuned, because this is where the video gets exciting. Let's dive in. So, why should you start a genuine online business in Kenya? There are numerous reasons you may want to start your business in Kenya. As I mentioned, Kenya's e-commerce economy is quickly growing. So many Kenyans turn to the internet to order a product or seek a service where you capitalize as an online store owner. So many places have access to fast internet, which has helped Kenya's e-commerce sector grow. And since the industry is growing fast, online businesses are easy to scale in Kenya. You can easily transition from a local site to an international target. Furthermore, it's not expensive to start an online business in Kenya. With a budget of 5,000 to 10,000 Kenya shillings, you can set up an online shop or website if you have some coding and web design background. It only becomes expensive when you hire people, for instance, a web designer, programmer, social media manager, customer support agent, and the like. Now that you know how lucrative online businesses are, let's explore how you can establish one. Here are 9 simple steps to help you start an online business in the country. Step 1. Product service selection. What do you want to sell online? It could be a physical or digital product, or just a service. Whatever it is, do proper market research to see if you've got what it takes to start and run the business. According to the research I mentioned earlier, some niches are doing better in the Kenya e-commerce sector than others. Here's a breakdown of their market shares. 1. Electronics, 24.1%. 2. Hobbies and leisure, 21.7%. 3. Fashion, 19.2%. 4. Fashion, 19.2%. 5. Furniture and homeware, 11.7%. 6. Care products, 8.3%. 7. Grocery, 7.6%. 8. DIY, 7.5%. Step 2. Domain and business name registration. Even though it doesn't apply to all online businesses, you should register your business domain name if you plan to run an online store or website. You must also register the business name, just like any other formal business, to be legally recognized as a taxpayer in the country. Regarding the domain name registration, you'll need to register it with your hosting service. For one, I register my website domains with Bluehost and Namecheap. However, there are still other local hosting services you may consider. Regarding the business name registration, visit the eCitizen portal to get started. Cost-wise, the domain and business name registration may cost you about 1,000 shillings each. That makes it 2,000 shillings in total. Note that the domain name could also be the business name if it's not taken. You can tell that during the registration. Step 3. Business branding. Having reserved your domain and business name, it's time to give your online business a unique identity. This requires creating a unique logo, color scheme, and graphics. Everything should resonate with what your online business is all about. If you can't do the branding yourself, consider hiring a graphic designer. Step 4. Supplier identification. Unless it's a service business, you need someone to supply you with the merchandise you plan to sell online. This could be a wholesale or manufacturer. Whoever you go for, ensure they are reliable and offer the best quality products. Step 5. Website building. A lot goes on behind the scenes when creating a professional website. If you have some coding and web design knowledge, you can set up the website yourself if it's not too complicated. However, if you don't know anything, you may want to hire an expert web designer and developer to set it up for you. At this point, you also have to pay for the hosting if you didn't do it when registering for the domain name. The hosting could cost you about 5,000 to 7,000 Kenya shillings per year for shared hosting. Step 6. Delivery arrangement. Your customers will likely want you to deliver the merchandise to their doorstep or somewhere close. So, you have to consider that. Ensure the delivery route you opt for favors both parties, you and the customer. Depending on location, you may consider charging a flat rate or what courier services charge to a particular area. And if it's around your business headquarters, you can offer free deliveries. Step 7. Payment setup. You must also set up payment options on your website to allow customers to pay you before delivery. That includes M-Pesa pay bills and credit cards, two of the most typical online payment options. Alternatively, if the business is small, you can work on a pay-on-delivery basis. Step 8. Marketing. Your target customers must know about your online business to make a sale. That means promoting it as much as possible, and you can use social media, especially Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Step 9. Team structuring. If it's a big business, you'll need help to run it. That means hiring a few people to help you, such as a stock manager, to take care of the inventory, customer support agent, to handle the customer complaints and requests, social media manager, to handle the social media aspects, and website manager, to monitor and manage the website itself. Now that it's clear what you must do to start an online business, below are 20 ideas to get you started. Online business in Kenya that pay through M-Pesa. Some of the best online businesses that pay through M-Pesa include 1. E-commerce store. Consider opening an e-commerce store like Kilimall or Jumia if you plan to sell physical merchandise. That includes baby gear, beauty products, fashion, home crafts, electronics, home appliances, clothes, shoes, home decor, and pet products. 2. Dropshipping business. You don't need inventory to open an online store. You can do dropshipping, which involves the following. Talking to suppliers about the opportunity to advertise on their behalf online on social media or your website. Adding your profit to the wholesale price that the supplier suggests. Waiting for the orders to come in and relay them to the supplier. Paying the supplier wholesale price and keep the difference. Following up to ensure the customer gets their orders. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you promote other companies and people's products and earn commissions from successful sales or referrals. You can promote the products on YouTube, personal blogs, or social media. Locally, you can sign up with Jumia or Kilimall to earn 5 to 10% commissions, and internationally, you can join Amazon to get 3 to 6% commissions on sales.
4. Online marketplace. You are probably familiar with Jishai, Pigiam, AutoCheck, or Buy Rent Kenya. They are amongst the country's most popular online marketplaces, and you can start one to connect buyers and sellers.
If so, you can charge the sellers a small fee to advertise and sell through your platform. 5. Digital marketing agency. Suppose you are good with online, social media, SEO, and content marketing. In that case, you can set up an online digital marketing agency to offer such services. Your goal should be to help improve your clients' online presence so they can pay for your service. 6. Online repair services. If you are an expert phone, laptop, or tablet technician, you can set up an online repair service and work anywhere. You can then offer pickup and delivery service at a fee. With most of these devices failing often, you are likely to run a successful online business if you are good at your job and trustworthy. 7. Print on demand. PIDOD business. If you are an expert graphic designer, consider creating designs and adding them to tees, hoods, mugs, plates, bed sheets, and other surfaces. People will likely buy such customized items, and you can advertise them on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. 8. Online gift shop. With so many festivities and holidays all year round, people will always seek gifts. Thus, you can start an online gift shop where you customize gifts for clients and even do deliveries at a fee. Online business in Kenya without registration fee. Examples of online businesses that require no registration include 9. Freelancing business. If you have an essential skill, you can start offering services online as a freelancer on Upwork, People Per Hour, or any other freelancing site. That includes online writing, online surveys, proofreading, transcription, programming, web design, app development, graphic design, virtual assistants, and remote customer care, to name a few. 10. Digital goods. You can also sell non-tangible or digital goods instead of physical merchandise online. That includes online courses, software, mobile apps, ebooks, tutorials, manuals, and audiobooks. 11. Blogging business. Consider starting a personal blog like this, centwarrior.com, if you enjoy writing and know a few things about SEO and keyword research and implementation. It allows you to earn through affiliate marketing, which I discussed earlier, paid ads, sponsored content, and digital goods sales, which I also mentioned. 12. Vlogging or video blogging. You can start a video version of a blog, what we call a vlog, and make money through views and affiliate marketing. This is particularly important if you are a YouTube fan and have something creative, informative, or entertaining to share online. 13. Online consulting. Suppose you are an expert in a particular field such as law, health, fitness, nutrition, business, finances, agriculture, lifestyle, career coaching, or any other. In that case, you can offer consultation online through your website at a fee. 14. Online tutoring. The online world allows you to work as a tutor online and run it as a business. It allows you to offer lessons as an individual or agency and charge hourly or sell packaged online courses. Other ideas for the best-paying online business in Kenya. Here are extra online business ideas to consider. 15. Travel booking site. Start a travel or booking site like VU Travel, Safari Bookings, or Bonfire Adventures. 16. Job portal. Connect job seekers and potential employers online, like Brighter Monday, Career Point, and My Jobs in Kenya. 17. Airbnb business. This business involves renting out extra space on Airbnb, earning rental income. 18. Social media group monetization. You can start a group on WhatsApp or Facebook and charge sellers who wish to advertise there. 19. Forex trading. This online investment allows you to take a profit buying and selling currencies through Forex trading in Kenya. 20. Online photography. As a photographer in Kenya, you can upload creative photos on stock image sites such as Shutterstock, Alamy, and Getty Images, and earn royalties, commissions from sales. Now, click the link in the description below to check out lucrative online businesses you can start in Kenya today. See you in the next video.